your own, now this in India, now ahimsa. Ahimsa, non-violence. Non-violence is very much related with motivation level, karuna. Whereas karuna, non-violence automatically come. Where anger there, fear there, then difficult to carry practice sincerely or seriously about non-violence. So they both theistic religion, non-theistic religion, in a philosophical field, big differences, but all carry same message. Now you are Thai, a Buddhist country. So I may explain something about Buddhism. Buddha stated, "O my follower, bhikshus, monks, or scholars should not accept my teaching out of faith, but rather thorough investigation and experiment." So now within Buddhism, the Pali tradition, Buddha's first dharma wheel, Four Noble Truths, and the 37 practice, these are recorded in Pali tradition. That's the basis of Buddha Dharma. So all Buddhist countries, Sri Lanka, Burma, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, China, and of course Tibet, Mongolia, Japan, all, you see, these are same. So then, now differences, second Dharma wheel. First Dharma wheel at Sarnath, soon after Buddha enlightened, he taught Sarnath. Then, after some time, he taught another Dharma wheel at Rajagiri. Now there, we call Parijaparamita Sutra. Main sort of emphasis on wisdom. The teaching of Four Noble Truths, 37 practice is a basis. Then Four Noble Truths, dukkha and karsa, kunju,
origin of
suffering. Then nirodha. Now third Buddha's sort of teaching, third Dharma wheel, thoroughly explain about what is the nature of nirodha and how to achieve nirodha. There's a mark. Some pujas, these, no, not these things. Wisdom side. Think. Now in the first Dharma wheel, Buddha taught 12 links. Ignorance and kasa, maribu, duji.
Formative karma.
So 12 link there. So the first source of suffering, as Buddha mentioned, ignorance. Kasa, maribu said kasa.
Avidya.
Anidya.
Avidya.
Abidya.
Avidya.
Abidya.
Avidya.
So now, second Dharma wheel, explain the very nature of ignorance. There are different levels of ignorance. Now here, the modern quantum physics, very helpful. Nothing exists as appears. Things appear seems to say objectively exist. According to quantum physics, nothing objectively exists. So now that, you see, the second dharma will clearly mention that nothing exists as appears independent sort of existence. If things independently exist, then we further investigate, then that nature should be clearer. But things appears objectively, but investigate, nothing you can find. That is second dharma wheel mentioned. We usually call shunyata. Anatma and shunyata. So now quantum physics also, you see, same view. I have a number of occasions discussion with scientists, cosmology, and neurobiology, and then physics, particularly quantum physics. When we discuss with modern scientists, it seems we know better. Like quantum physics, you see, they already sort of found nothing exists. Then what is the nature of existence? No answer. Observer there, so long, observer there, because object there.
Observed object.
Observed,
As long as there's the quantum physicists say that as long as there's an observer, there is the observed object.
There's a Nalanda tradition. You see, a lot of discussion. What's the reality? So then, Nalanda tradition, they eventually, since things, physical world does not exist objectively, so only mind-only school of thought. That Sanskrit word, chitta mantra. Chitta mantra. And then, further development, the Madhyamika philosophy. So basically, things does not exist as appears. Not only external thing, but also our mind does not exist as appears. So that argue with mind-only school of thought. All these aiming, they try to prove our ignorance, our very nature of ignorance. So in any way, some my friend told me in China, some Chinese university, they have opportunity to get some publication from here, like Buddhist science and modern science. So then, some of the Chinese public not allowed. Some university, they can sort of keep some of these texts. So some of them express the Nalanda tradition is very scientific religion. They said, like that. It is true. So usually I myself, half Buddhist monk, half scientist. So you see, no difficulties discuss with scientists. So that's, I think, greatness of Buddha Dharma in general, particularly Nalanda tradition. So from time to time, when I met some Thai bhikshus, they really wonderful, you see, keep Pali tradition. Now, perhaps